If your dreams look like dollar signs, you're in the right place. Join Money Smart Basics as we dive into the Millionaire Challenge. Follow these 7 simple lessons. And let's see if we can actually make it happen together. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Look in the description below for wealth-building tools and income opportunities. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of wealth building. 7 crucial lessons can set you on the path to becoming a millionaire. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. Vincent Chan, a financial expert, shares principles for lasting wealth. Becoming a millionaire is achievable with the right strategies. These lessons are your roadmap to financial success. Let's get started. The first lesson from Vincent Chan is all about understanding the true value of time. You hear it all the time, right? Time is money. But it's more than just a catchy phrase. It's a fundamental principle for building wealth. You see, unlike money, which you can always earn more of, time is a finite resource. Every second that ticks by is gone forever, and that's why it's so important to treat your time as the valuable asset it truly is. Think about it. Every minute you spend scrolling mindlessly on your phone, binge-watching TV shows you don't even enjoy, or procrastinating on your goals is time you could be investing in something productive. Instead of letting those precious minutes slip away, ask yourself, is what I'm doing right now bringing me closer to my financial goals? If the answer is no, it's time to switch gears and focus on activities that will actually move the needle. Now, I'm not saying you need to be working 24/7 to become a millionaire. It's about working smarter, not harder. And that starts with prioritizing your time effectively. One of the best ways to do this is to create a schedule and stick to it. Block out specific times for work, for personal development, for relaxation, whatever is important to you. When you have a plan for your day, you're less likely to waste time on distractions and more likely to stay focused on your goals. Another crucial aspect of time management is learning to say no to things that don't align with your priorities. It's easy to get caught up in saying yes to every request and obligation that comes your way, but that can quickly lead to burnout and overwhelm. Remember, every time you say yes to something, you're essentially saying no to something else. So choose wisely. Let's move on to lesson number 2, which might be the most important one of all: invest in yourself. You guys have probably heard me say this a million times, but that's because it's so crucial. You are your greatest asset, and the more you invest in your personal and professional development, the higher your earning potential becomes. Think about it. The more knowledge, skills, and experience you have, the more valuable you become to employers, clients, or customers. Now, investing in yourself doesn't necessarily mean spending a ton of money. It can be as simple as reading books, taking online courses, attending workshops, or even just listening to podcasts like this one. The key is to continuously seek out new information and opportunities for growth. Remember, the job market is competitive, and if you're not constantly upgrading your skills and knowledge, you risk falling behind. But investing in yourself goes beyond just your professional skills. It also means taking care of your physical and mental health. You can't build wealth if you're constantly feeling burnt out, stressed, or unwell. Make sure you're prioritizing things like exercise, sleep, and a healthy diet. These might seem like small things, but they can have a huge impact on your energy levels, focus, and overall well-being. Remember, a healthy body and mind are essential for achieving your financial goals. When you feel good, you're more productive, more motivated, and more likely to make smart decisions with your money. So don't neglect your health. It's an investment that will pay off in all areas of your life. All right, let's talk about diversifying your income streams. This is absolutely crucial on your journey to becoming a millionaire. You see, relying on a single source of income like your 9-to-5 job is risky. It's like putting all your eggs in one basket. If something happens to that job, you're left with nothing. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, I have a 9-to-5 job. How am I supposed to find the time and energy to build multiple income streams? And I get it. It can seem daunting at first, but trust me, it's more achievable than you think. Start by identifying your skills and interests. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Once you have a clear picture of your strengths, you can start exploring different income avenues that align with them. For example, if you're a great writer, you could start freelance writing on the side. If you're passionate about photography, you could offer your services for weddings or events. The possibilities are endless. The key is to think outside the box and be open to exploring new opportunities, and the best part? Many of these side hustles can eventually become full-time businesses if you're willing to put in the work. So, don't be afraid to start small and gradually build up your income streams over time. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Let's talk about the golden rule of building wealth. Living below your means. Now, this doesn't mean you have to live like a pauper and deprive yourself of everything. It simply means being mindful of your spending and making conscious choices about where your money goes. Now, I know what you're thinking, Alfonso, that all sounds great, but how do I actually live below my means? Well, it all starts with being aware of your spending habits. Track your expenses for a few months and see where your money is going. You might be surprised to discover that you're spending a significant amount on things you don't need or even really want, like daily lattes, subscription boxes you never use, or impulsive online purchases. Once you've identified areas where you can cut back, start setting spending limits for yourself. This could mean cooking at home more often instead of eating out, finding free or low-cost entertainment options, or simply being more mindful of your impulse purchases. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. Even saving an extra $50 or $100 a week can add up to thousands of dollars over the course of a year. That's money that can be invested and grow, bringing you closer to your financial goals. Listen up, because this next lesson is crucial. Surround yourself with the right people. You've probably heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. And let me tell you, it's true. The people you surround yourself with have a huge impact on your mindset, your habits, and ultimately, your success. Now you might be thinking, Graham, I don't know any millionaires. How am I supposed to network with successful people? And that's okay. Start by attending industry events, workshops, and conferences related to your interests. These events are gold mines for meeting like-minded individuals. Join online communities and forums related to your interests. Platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook groups, and Reddit can connect you with people worldwide. And don't forget about the power of mentorship. Reach out to people you admire and see if they'd be open to a chat. Building a strong network takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. Surround yourself with people who will inspire and challenge you to achieve your financial goals. Now, let's talk about one of the most crucial ingredients in the recipe for wealth-building discipline and patience. You see, becoming a millionaire isn't about getting rich-quick schemes or winning the lottery. It's about consistently making smart decisions with your money and allowing those decisions to compound over time. Think about it like this. If you invested just $500 a month every single month and got an average return of 8% per year, you'd hit millionaire status in about 26 years. Now, 26 years might seem like a long time, but remember, time is going to pass anyway. Staying disciplined can be hard, especially with constant messages to spend. But patience is key. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Market dips are normal and often temporary. Don't panic, sell, and lock in losses. Take a deep breath, stay the course. Vincent Chan didn't become a millionaire overnight. Resilience and patience lead to financial success. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. Alright, let's move on to the final lesson in our journey to becoming a millionaire. And that's the importance of continuous education. You see, the financial world is constantly evolving. New investment opportunities arise, market trends shift, and economic conditions fluctuate. To truly thrive in this environment and make the most informed decisions with your money, you need to be a lifelong learner. Now, I'm not saying you need to go back to school and get a finance degree, although that's certainly an option. But there are countless resources available at your fingertips to help you expand your financial knowledge. Read books by financial experts, listen to podcasts, take online courses, and stay up to date on market news. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complexities of the financial world and make decisions that align with your goals. Think of it this way: the more you know about investing, the more confident you'll feel making investment decisions. The more you understand about personal finance, the better you'll be at managing your money, avoiding debt, and maximizing your savings. And the more you learn about different asset classes, the better equipped you'll be to diversify your portfolio and potentially increase your returns. It's like anything else in life, the more you practice and learn, the better you become. And in the world of finance, that means potentially earning more money, making smarter investments, and achieving your financial goals faster. So make it a habit to dedicate some time each week, even just 30 minutes, to learning something new about personal finance or investing. Trust me, the knowledge you gain will pay dividends for years to come. And who knows, you might even discover a new passion or investment strategy along the way. And there you have it. 7 essential lessons to set you on the path to becoming a millionaire. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with these principles, you're well on your way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and advice. Thanks for watching. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. I will never look at money the same way after this. Here's why. Recap the 7 lessons we've shared. The secret? Consistency. Keep applying these lessons and watch your financial growth soar. Start today. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.